How to create labels in Google Calendar. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can create different labels so you can organize and have a better view of your Google Calendar. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically here in other calendars in our left menu we must add here, and we're gonna to create a new calendar. Let's suppose this is related to our friends' birthdays, and I'm going to create this. This could take some time, so you just have to wait until the creation has been completed. And now that friend's birthday is successfully created, I'm going to configure. So now I got different options here, as you can see, and here you could even receive notifications through your email address if an event responses or canceled events. Okay, but now I'm going back here because I'm going to try to create a new event. So perhaps tomorrow I'm going to create a new one, and as you can see here in the United account, I could create a different label, last friends birthdays, and I just save it, and this is going to be with a different label or color. In that way I'm just going to be able to know the different events. Let me try it again here as friends birthdays, and it's automatically red. Okay, and that's how you can do it. You can create so many calendars as colors visible here. Okay, that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.